Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Praful Bele and I'm from collegedunia.com. Very warm welcome to you on our interview series that is Thoughts on Education, where we interview various dignitaries such as the owners, directors, chancellors, and program heads of various universities and colleges. Before starting the interview, I would request you to kindly give a brief introduction about yourself and then we can proceed ahead with the interview.
Thank you, Praful. I'm Dr. Srirupa Sengupta, an associate professor at the Goa Institute of Management and currently the program head of the Healthcare Management Program. I have a background in gender health and public policy. Those are my research and consulting areas, and I offer courses on ethics and governance, qualitative research, and social responsibility and action at GIM.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your introduction. Now let's move to the first question of this interview series, and that is, what are the key objectives of the PGDM HCM program at GIM, and how do you ensure that the students achieve them?
So the mission of GIM is to develop responsible leaders who are not only responsible but also agile, and they are well aware about the latest business practices as well as the technology. Now, the healthcare management program is one of the oldest programs which has been running on for over a decade now, launched in 2013 by the Goa Institute of Management. It was a very bold decision of GIM in 2013 to launch this program because that was a time when public health and management were not actually seen together. So it was an experimental decision. It was also a decision taken very timely because that was a time when the healthcare sector was growing rapidly. Quite like today, we live in very exciting times. So in these last 13 years, if you ask me, we have grown a lot. We have an excellent alumni network. We have over 600 HCM alumni. The course has benefited a lot from industry interactions. And the focus of, or the uniqueness, if I can speak about the healthcare management program, is we focus on creating managers who are well versed with the various functions or domains of management as well as various verticals of the healthcare industry. Now, what do I mean by various verticals? So our healthcare manager are students of HCM. They are trained into so that they can contribute to the pharmaceutical industry, to the med device industry, health IT, health consulting, public health systems, and hospital management. So it is a very comprehensive program with a very clear focus that we will nurture professionals who are well versed with management acumen as well as they're well versed with the healthcare industry and have developed sufficient knowledge and strategic foresight to contribute to the rapidly growing Indian healthcare system.
What kind of support systems are in place to ensure that students have a positive and engaging learning experience in the program?
So there are various kinds of support systems. Let me just tell you another uniqueness of the healthcare management program that we run. In both the in first year as well as in the second year of the program, there are a lot of field-based courses. In the first year, we run a very unique field-based course like the Know Your Healthcare Provider, where students coming from various backgrounds, they get a first-hand experience of visiting various verticals of the healthcare industry, which starts from hospitals to public health systems, diagnostics, pharma, medical device companies, and so on and so forth. In the second year, there is another unique opportunity for students to work with the government and the non-governmental sector through a program which we call the Give Goa. That this really makes the healthcare management program unique in the sense that there is classroom learning, but there is enough opportunity for the students to also implement what they have learned in the classroom. There is a 2-month summer internship program which also helps students to understand what the corporate side or the corporate aspect of the healthcare industry. We have a lot of webinars happening continuously where students get to interact with industry leaders. In addition, healthcare management program every year organizes their flagship annual healthcare conclave, which is attended by at least 30 CEOs representing, again, diverse domains of the Indian healthcare system. Now, this is kind of the pedagogy that we follow, so that the students they actually know and learn from the industry expertise. They also have a chance to understand what is going on in the industry. Coming to the other support mechanisms that we have a mentor-mentee support, which is between the student and the teacher. So all the faculty, they have a group of mentees who and for the 2 years that they keep on mentoring them. There is a very vibrant student community. There is enough support given from the alumni. So alumni come in not only as their recruiters, but they are also there as mentors for these healthcare management students. In addition, the HCM program has an incredible initiative called Prabhav, which is a student initiative run by the students. And this again is another opportunity where the students interact with the industry. There are regular case competitions going on. There are support coming from student community. So I would say we have the alum, we have the faculty, the student body who are responsive towards student development and create a platform for students to grow and understand themselves better and also the industry better.
Ma'am, it was really great meeting you and to listen to your views on our interview series that is Thoughts on Education. I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you.